So now moving to next one. Okay. Describe how augmented reality and virtual reality could affect society in their near future. So can you write, everybody?
Sir, we should write. Yeah, we should write in the chat.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Sir, can you read my answer and tell me if I have to add more points, because I think that's enough.
Okay, I checked them. Okay, what about Darish? Have you written?
Yeah, sir, but I by mistakenly said dwarf.
Okay. Okay, we can discuss these all of this. So you can compare your answer with. Okay. But the question is describe how augmented reality and virtual reality could affect society in the near future. So remember, both technology will affect positive or negative way. So you have to include in answer society. Okay, in the near future when you are giving answer. Now see here, in the near future, you must write in the near future. You have to give reference with the question. First one you can tell about augmented or whatever. Augmented reality and virtual reality could revolutionize various industries. Okay, including education, healthcare, entertainment, and remote. So you can give answer regarding to cover large perspective. Okay, not the limited level. It will cover the large perspective. Every kind of industry will affect, including education, healthcare, entertainment, and remote work. Next, so they may enhance. The question has two parts. Okay, what they will do that they may enhance learning experience, improve medical procedure, offer immersive entertainment, and enable more efficient remote collaboration, reshaping societal norms and interaction. This is very important because it was asking about society. So in answer, you must include the word society also. So what will be affect, whether it is positive or negative? What is asking generalized? The reshaping societal norms and interaction. So now you can compare your answer like this. Almost your answer are right, but try to whenever you are giving answer, it should be related to question. What question has asked? Yes, as I told you yesterday, link your answer with the question always. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Did you get how to give the answer?
Yes, sir.
Is there any
Yes, sir,
mistake
but
by
like,
you? Is there any mistake by you? What
I
deficiency?
mean, I didn't write the fact that it will revolutionize industries. I just wrote that it will help us interact with the world in a much creative way. Yeah,
Okay. No,
it
you are
will.
right. You are also right. But you should reference question reference. Okay, give the reference regarding question.
All right.
I am reading your answer. You have written AR and virtual AR and VR will provide a new perspective on how we interact with the world. This is right. You have written right. It will give us possibilities to make our lives more realistic, interesting, and rewarding. Okay. This technology platform will open up a world of creativity. This is right. AR has to power to transform artistic entertainment experience by introducing new forms of storytelling, interactive art, and immersive performance, whereas VR will expand our mind and cognitive level. This is also right. Okay? But including when giving answer, you should link answer with your question. Answer must be linked with the question because it was asking about society in the near future. Okay, describe how
All right.
almost your answer 90% answer you're right, but just little bit need to improve. Okay, Rehan,
Right.
did you get the answer?
Sure.
Okay, Zarish, it is clear to you how to give the answer?
Yes.
Good. Okay, need to see next one. Okay, who will tell the first one? Harsh, first one you will tell me which option is matching.
Okay, so method whereby a person uses their voice to carry out a function. That's the dialogue-based interface.
Good. Zarish, second one you have to tell. Yes, Zarish. Is there any confusion? Should I help?
Sir, it's showing that she's not in the meeting. I don't know if that's the case.
Okay, Rehan, you can tell. Second one. Yes, Rehan.
Input devices.
Good. Harsh. Third one.
All right. A physical component such as a monitor, printer, or projector under the control of a computer. I think that's the output device.
Good. Now, Rehan. Fourth one.
Applet.
Good. Harsh. Fifth one.
All right. So, software used to help in the creation, manipulation, and modification of a drawing. That's computer-aided design.
Yes, you are right. Do you know about computer-aided design? Any information about it? What is that?
Yeah. What I know about is that it's some sort of like software to
Okay.
like help design, like make changes to your design. Like you can edit it, you can customize it. Yeah, that's all I know about the computer-aided design.
Okay. Rehan, do you know about CAD? Any idea?
Not a lot.
Okay. Now listen. This is basically a kind of software. Using this, you can design anything. Normally, this software used by mechanical engineer, electronic engineer, civil engineer. This is mostly used by engineering purpose. So industry use this software to design any kind of component, and then after designing the component using the software, they use another software that is called CAM, computer aided manufacturing. In computer aided manufacturing, we do programming how machine will run, and after basically after completing program and it using that program, you can create a simulation how machine will run and how component will be produced. So after satisfying of machine running on computer, then you start physical production. Before that, you do only virtual production. Okay, you got point? Harsh, did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about CNC machine, computer numerical control?
Yes, sir. I've heard of it.
Yeah, it is used. It is widely used by textile industry, automated what we call auto industry. Okay, they use such kind of software to simulate the software how component will be produced using a computer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rehan. What about last one?
Analog.
Analog. And we have discussed basically analog signal is not understood by computer. That must be converted into digital form. So physical data that changes smoothly and is not stepwise. So has an infinite number of possibilities. So it is analog. So everybody knows the diagram of analog.
Yes, sir. Sir, let me just go check what happened to my sister's like device.
Yeah. Can you check that? Then tell me.
Yeah, okay.
So I can wait 1 minute. Yes, sir. Have you come back?
Yeah, I came back. It was nothing. It was just some sort of like internet connection. So yeah.
So is she online or not?
Yeah, she's online. I saw it.
Okay. There is. Can you tell me the first one answer? Okay, Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Darish, can you tell me the first one answer? A volatile internal memory that stores the current instruction. What would be the answer?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. Rehan, can you tell me the first one?
RAM.
RAM. Good. Arsh, you can tell me about first, second one, part B.
All right. A printed circuit board containing CPU and other components of the computer. That's the motherboard.
Good. Okay, Darish, what about C?
Mr. I think she didn't take the class when we started.
Okay. He has a problem in internet.
No, I think she just doesn't understand.
Okay, she doesn't. Okay. Okay. Rehan.
Maybe because she didn't like take the first class.
Okay, okay. Rehan, you can tell me. Yes, Rehan.
So I'm not sure about C, right?
Okay, you don't understand part C. Okay, now see first. Okay, I will discuss the first one. First one tell us a volatile memory. So remember, RAM is a volatile memory. Okay, remember, it has a feature of volatile. Internal memory. Okay, this is the second feature, internal memory. Remember this one. And that store the current instruction. Okay, remember, RAM always stored current instruction, current data, and current program. Like I have, as you are watching this basically PowerPoint presentation, it is also open in RAM. Whenever you open any program in your computer or mobile or laptop, it always open in RAM. Because when we give data to the system, your data from input device always store into RAM. This is RAM. It's OS always occupy the space, but when you open any program, it will open here like that. Okay, every program open in RAM when you are using that computer. So all current program, current data, and current instruction are held in a RAM before processing and after processing. Remember, is this clear? Rehan, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second one is motherboard, a printed circuit board, printed. It is printed also. The circuit board that containing the CPU and other component of the computer. As we discussed in first class, and you must have seen motherboard. The motherboard occupy different component on it, and they all components are connected with each other using this circuit board. The third one is a printed circuit board that control the output. The keyword is output to a monitor. So basically, it's the graphic card. Do you know? Graphic card. RAM also provides some space to output device, but this is not enough. That is why we have to install graphic card, graphic card to produce more output. Yes, Rehan, is this clear now? Third one is graphic card. Okay, everybody is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Harsh, you can tell me part D.
Yes, sir. It's an SSD board or yeah.
No, it's not SSD board. a printed circuit board that is installed in a computer, that the computer can be connected to a network.
To a
Keyword is
network.
network. So which card we do it normally? LAN card? Do you remember? Network interface
Oh yeah,
card.
the LAN card.
But you are basically used to with Wi-Fi, okay? How Wi-Fi connected, how Wi-Fi facility is used by computer. They basically use, if you are using cable, you must have LAN card. This LAN card also come with a wireless LAN card, okay? Wireless WLAN, wireless LAN card. Or another device is access point. Normally, access point is given in your device. Mobile or tablet or laptop use normally access point to connect with network or internet. Got my point? A printed circuit board
Yes, sir.
that is installed in a computer so that the computer can be connected to a network. So it can be LAN card or it can be WLAN, wireless LAN card, okay, for Wi-Fi. Darius, did you get that? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. You got 4 of these options? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any confusion you can discuss? You can tell me, I can explain it again. Okay. Should I move to next one?
No.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here you can see all of these options. Okay. Okay, Harsh, you can tell me. This is the first one.
Yeah, it's ROM.
Good. Rehan, do you know that it is ROM or RAM?
There is non-volatile ROM.
Good. The first feature is non-volatile, and the first feature of ROM is non-volatile. Second feature is internal memory. Used to store the startup instruction. Okay. Boot up. Okay. Boot up or startup instruction always stored in ROM. Is this clear? Whenever we turn on the button, okay, the instruction computer always seek from ROM chip how to start. So how to start instruction are stored in ROM. Do you know we also called ROM BIOS? Remember these words? Firmware. Okay. CMOS also. We also call it CMOS. Okay, Rehan, tell me part B. What would be the answer?
Sir, is it audio card?
Video card or audio card?
Sound card.
Good. It is a sound card. Okay. So like I'm speaking through microphone, and microphone is connected with the sound card. An internal component that provides the input and output of audio signal. So I'm speaking from mic. From mic, data goes in this form. Okay. So there is a sound card and which have ADC. ADC convert this analog. This is analog data. Okay. Our voice is always move in analog form. Sound waves or microwave frequency form. Okay. So it converted into digital form like this, and this is understood by the computer. Okay. Processor. So whatever instruction has taken by processor. Darish, can you tell me about part C? Is there any idea? Yes, Darish. Is there any? Okay, Harsh, you can tell me.
Sir, I have no clue. Is it an SSD card?
Tell me again.
SSD card.
Or Rehan, do you know that? Right answer?
So maybe microprocessor.
Yes, you are right. It is a microprocessor. Microprocessor have three components. The first one is memory. We call it memory unit. The second one is control unit. We call it CU. And third one is arithmetic logic unit. We call it AL. Okay, do you know that these three components are part of processor? Any processor? Is this clear? Mainly it has two parts. Okay, CU and ALU. CU and AL. But it also has own memory that is called a register. Okay, we call it memory unit. Got my point?
All right, sir.
Okay. Darish, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Darish, you don't have study about it? Hardware? You have confusion about it? Okay. What about this one? Yes, Rehan. Can you tell me, Rehan, what would be the right answer?
Sir, I don't remember.
You don't know? Arsh, you can tell.
So let me think. An internal hardware component that connects a computer to a LAN network. All right. So why do I keep thinking SSD? No, it's not SSD.
It's not SSD. SSD is a storage.
Yeah, but I keep thinking SSD. Is it the NIC thing or no?
Yes, yes, you are right. You should see keyword. It is asking
Oh
for
my.
LAN network.
Yes. So it's NIC.
Okay, we already discussed in the last slide. NIC, network
Yeah.
interface card or LAN card. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, or you can say WLAN, the wireless LAN card.
All right.
Okay, okay, no need to worry. These all things will come in chapter 2 also. Okay, hardware basically mainly discussed in chapter 2. Okay, input devices, output devices, storage devices, or any other device or LAN devices we will discuss in chapter 2 also. Okay, this was basically given in your chapter 1. That is why I have included in the question. So an external device that retain a computer data even after the computer is turned off. Yes, Harsh, can you guess?
It's a USB drive.
You are right, but can you give another name? USB. USB is only one of the that term.
Flash memory.
Okay, no, both are same. Flash memory, USB are same. This is the one of the device can be used for that purpose. You are right. Rehan, can you give the idea?
Optical disc?
That is also part of that.
Floppy disk.
This is also part of that, the term. All of you are right. Actually,
Oh my god.
you write the keyword backing storage. Okay.
What? Backing store?
Secondary
Oh,
storage.
okay.
Secondary storage. You take backup. We also call it secondary or backing storage. Do you know that?
All right.
Storage or memory are same thing. So there are two types of memory, or one is primary and secondary. We also call
Sir, can you repeat?
backing storage. Okay. Primary is RAM-ROM. We have already discussed. Do you know that? Primary is RAM-ROM. And secondary, there are many types of The first one is hard disk, SSD. You can also call flash memory, USB, part of that. Okay, optical disk. We will discuss in detail in chapter 2. Okay. So remember, storage are two types: primary storage and secondary storage. Okay. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion? Yes, there is. Is this clear?
No, sir. I mean, yes, sir.
Okay, good. Wait a second. Okay, Rehan, what about the part C? You must tell.
There can be so many,
How many? Okay, tell me one of them.
like keyboard or a mouse.
Okay, both are wrong. Because keyword is monitor. What about urge? Can you guess?
Touch screen?
Yes, you are right. Touch screen. Touch
Oh
screen
my
has,
God. It randomly came out of my mouth.
yeah, an input device
Okay.
that is attached to a monitor. Okay. This is the only monitor which has touch screen. Okay. Touch screen is also comes in the category of output device. Remember. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, we good. That is your right. Okay. So moving to next one, the last one. These answer you can see: backing storage. We also call it secondary storage. Another name also, auxiliary storage. Remember, we also call it AUXILIARY, auxiliary storage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This name also can come paper. Now see the last one, then we will end the class. Explain what is meant by term software. I think everybody can give the answer. Yes, sir. You tell me.
All right. So, the software of a computer is a set of instructions,
Okay.
data, or programs that are used to operate the computers and to like perform specific tasks.
Be specific to 2 lines, not more than 2 lines. Okay. Because answer is
All right.
only one, carrying only 1 mark. Yes, Rehan.
So can I say this, sir?
Okay, Rehan, you can tell me. Is there any definition? Do you know? Do you remember? There you can write on chat. Okay, Rehan, tell me. What about software? It's very basic. You know that.
Sir, I'm typing on.
Okay then. Okay. A software is an application that runs the basic operation of it. Okay, that's right. So I'm showing you its definition so everybody can see that. Now see here. Any one definition you can use. Software are program or perhaps or apps used by computer. This is right. Software used to control the operation of a computer. This is very right. Software or program or apps for processing of electrons. This is also right. Anyone definition?
Sir, I had like 3 points. Don't I get like 3 marks?
No, because they will give you only 1 mark. Okay.
Why?
They have
Yes,
allocated
this
1
is
mark.
very bad.
No, it's not. Whatever you will write, it should cover the whole definition. The program that operates information used by computer. Okay. So
All
remember,
right.
software is a set of instruction or program which run the computer and tell the computer what to do and how to do. You can write also like there are numerous definitions, but it should cover all but it should be related to software. Okay. These are
Yes, sir.
one of the definition. Okay. So inshallah, next week I will cover another database. Okay, tell me about the database practice. Arsh, you have done both?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
I
Rehan?
have to send it to you.
Okay. What about you, Rehan? What about you? Tell me the status of
I'm
practice.
done.
You have done
Sir,
both
I'm
paper?
done.
Both paper?
No, the last one.
One.
What we call it? Specimen paper? Can you write on chat so that I can understand?
Sir, I did the one that you sent in the group.
Which one? Can you write?
Sir, the latest one. Wait, let me check.
It was specimen paper or March 23. I have practiced with you March 23 and specimen paper, specimen 23. So which one you have done?
Sir, I think she's talking about the specimen paper because that's the last thing you sent.
Okay, okay. You should also practice March 23. Okay. Should I send it again or do you have data?
Sir, I'm already done
You are no.
with March 23.
What about Daresh and Rehan? Rehan,
Oh,
what is your
okay.
status?
Sir, I did the specimen one. I have to do the other one.
Okay, you have to do. Okay, try to do this week. I will cover another paper of database so that new things you can do that. That you should also practice of March 23.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz,
Sir, I
sir.
need to talk to you like at the end of the class.
Okay. See you next week. Okay.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, like, can you give one extra class to Zer so that she can catch up because she did not do like the starts, like the RAM, ROM,
Yes.
and yeah.
Right. It can be done.
When can you take it?
Okay. I will tell you time. Okay. I will message you on. Okay.
All right.
So
All
that
right.
we can arrange. Okay. No issue. I will get. I will do that.
All right.
Okay. Allah
Thank
Hafiz.
you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.